Yeah, actually, before starting, I actually wanted to tell like regarding this, like this course, everybody says like this is very tough. So please, you guys don't feel it's not a tough course. Okay, there is a myth and misconception like it is a ocean, but it is not like that. But you guys need to work hard and just make a a plan kind of like every day. In the weekdays, if you guys will study 1 hour. Okay, and in the weekend, if you guys will study 5 6 hours, then I think easily 3 months you guys will complete. Okay,
Okay.
it is a little bit tough. See, everything is tough. If I will take example of cooking, cooking is also tough, right? First day, if
Uh,
suppose I don't cook, right? My mother and my sisters used to cook, and if first
mm,
day I will be given this task, I will feel very difficult, right? Making a chapati, making curry is very difficult. But I will do hard work, and day by day I can improve. Same way SAP is like that only. But people say, oh, it is very, you know, they have made this wrong conception, but we should not follow. Please, means you guys will study, then there will be difficulties. But hard work and dedication and planning and strategy, these things will help to cope up with those things. So please make a strategy and try to study more and more. How much you guys can. Okay, and I'm there to support. Okay,
okay. Okay.
so can I ask a little bit questions from the previous class, if you guys don't mind?
Yes.
We'll try.
Okay. Can you please tell me like advantages of SAP?
Advantages of SAP.
Yes.
Data security,
Okay.
data integration,
Okay.
and multiple countries, languages, and currencies.
Okay.
Centralized database, centralized master data.
Correct. Okay. And okay, good. And what do you mean by this credit control area, Shravanti? What do you mean by credit control area? Please don't see the notes without seeing notes. Please, you guys answer
Credit,
me. Huh? Yes.
sure. I'm just recollecting. Credit controlling area, which means there are two methodologies in this. I can put in this way. One is credit control is not equal to company code, which means one is to where we follow, one is to N methodology.
No, 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 no. Actually, I'm not asking controlling area. You are telling controlling area. I'm asking credit control area, where we restrict the credit limits for the customer, right? But you are
Okay.
telling controlling area. So please don't get confused. Controlling area is for controlling module,
Okay.
cost controlling,
Okay.
cost controlling. A credit control area is for credit limits for the customer. Company wants to restrict depending on the
Okay.
paying behavior. Just very simple only.
Understood. I got confused. Okay.
Okay. So, and Shavandi, if you can tell me financial management area,
Sorry,
financial management area, financial management area. Please let Shravanti, answer. Shravanti, please tell financial management area.
Financial.
Yes.
Sorry. Mhm. Unable to recall.
Okay. See,
Unable to.
in its and Sudhir, can you please tell?
where these definitions we didn't uh, practice. I mean, didn't learn.
Okay. Just but I explained you guys concept also, right? If concept you guys can tell me concept like what is the use of this financial management area? Okay, no problem, no problem. See, every 3 days I will be, giving so much of I will be, I will be proceeding and completing the topics. So please, I request you guys to
I,
complete the previous topics. If you guys will not complete, then there will be over, so much of workload.
last that Sunday,
Hmm?
that Sunday topic only didn't complete it. And another 2 days we have understand and we know that.
Okay. And very, I explained very in an easy way, right? Like what credit control area, credit limits control has to be done. Controlling area means, cost cutting. Like if tea manufacturing, a small setup is there for a tea manufacturer, so he will try to reduce the cost, making cost of that, of the production, and he wants to increase the profit. Same way, if you will take example of any big like car manufacturing companies, Maruti Suzuki, so their motive is also to do the same thing, like controlling of the cost cutting, cost controlling, but not compromising the this not compromising the quality depending upon the price which they are charging. So this is the conceptual thing. Please try to learn these things. Okay, and now
Sure.
okay, because there will be please try to complete all those definitions yesterday's and today what I will teach. So please try to complete these also till today. Please
Okay.
I will ask tomorrow. Okay, because I want you guys to be ready within
Yeah.
3 months. After that, you guys should be should be ready for the job, for the SAP consultant, as SAP consultant. Okay. So now, let's say I gave you, okay, yes, I gave you example of Dilip, company, right? Like Dilip group of
Hmm.
companies. Now in India, he was having two company codes in Hyderabad and in Mumbai. Okay. In Hyderabad, he was having cement related company. Okay. And in Mumbai, he was having steel manufacturing. In
Steel
Hyderabad, he was
company.
having cement. Yes. In Singapore, he was having tiles
Yeah.
manufacturing. And in USA, he is having textile. Okay. And in Hyderabad, he is having, this one, uh, Patancheru. He is having three locations, for this, in Patancheru, in Balnagar, in Guntur, in Andhra Pradesh, in Guntur. In Mumbai, he is having this company in only one location. Okay, and in Singapore also in one location,
Thane.
in USA also one location, and fiscal year also we know already.
Hmm.
Only April to March, all three company codes, including
Yeah.
Singapore and USA, Jan to December. Okay, and I explained a little bit about this local gap,
Yeah.
IFRS. Okay, IFRS,
Yes.
when
Yes.
internationally business is being done, then IFRS reporting has to be done according to this. Local gap means we can do according to our local, specific country wise, like in this, for these
Hmm.
two company codes, according to the Indian accounting standards, we need to follow. Okay, now
Okay. Okay.
I'm just organizational structure. I'm just explaining in more detail this organizational structure. I'm going to explain in more detail because if you guys will understand this concept, see, seeing the notes and doing the configuration in the system, anybody can do. That is kind of that is very easy task, right? If I will give you notes, take the notes, and same way you can follow and do the in the system. That is not a big deal, but you should understand the background, like what is the operating concern, what is this controlling area, okay, how it is
Yeah.
connected with company code. If you will know the background, then only you can understand well when you will do in the system the configuration, you can understand how this is linked like this, and in the real time also you can understand the business process when you will work for the any company, any projects. So please try to understand.
Okay.
My motive is to make you guys understand about this organizational structure in detail. In real time, there will be different clients having this kind of organizational structure. So if you please try to understand,
Okay.
if you're not understanding, please let me know. Please be attentive, be confident. Well, please, and try to get understand this one. Okay. See, the very first thing is client, like my friend. Suppose I'm taking the example of Dilip Group of Company. My friend, he purchased the SAP license.
Yeah.
Okay. Once he is purchasing the SAP
Okay.
license, why he has purchased the SAP license?
To
Please tell.
maintain the books in SAP.
Yes. To maintain that, he wants to
While
record that.
he expanded his business.
Yes. Yes. Means to maintain. Yes, correct. Both of you correct. To maintain the book, to maintain the data in his, to maintain the data in his SAP system. Now he want, yes, while he has expanded the business from Tele ERP to SAP, now he want to do day-to-day business transaction data maintenance in SAP system. Correct. That's why he
Yes.
consulted IT company. IT company recommended him to buy SAP license and then come to us. Then then he purchased SAP license and contacted IT company. IT company then trying to understand his business, and they will prepare this organizational structure and documentation. You remember I told in the first phase, implementation phase. So this
Yes.
organizational structure will be prepared in this phase. First phase, they will do the meeting to understand the business. So they will they will check
Development
with my
system.
no. They will sorry, I sorry, my bad. So actually, in the first phase, what will happen? Excuse me, my mama is calling. Just a minute, please. See, means in the first phase, consultants will do the after he has purchased the SAP license. IT consultant will contact IT consultant will try to understand the business. Okay, what all the business activities you are doing, like purchase related. Okay, how you are purchasing and sales related, like if selling the tea, like I mean in detail they will try to understand in first phase. In second phase, what will happen? They will try to document the requirement in the, in the they will prepare the word document, except whatever the document, they will do the documentation. In the second phase only, organizational structure will be prepared. Like, what is the structure of my friend's business? Suppose this is my friend's business, right? So what is the structure of my friend's business? How
Yeah.
many company codes? So suppose in this example there are four company codes: tea and coffee, one company code snacks, and they are situated in where they are situated in Jharkhand, Haryana, Singapore, and USA, and they are using which fiscal year. So all these
Yeah.
details they will document in this phase, business blueprint phase. Correct? So now in detail, okay, Shamdi, you have doubt?
Uh,
You have doubt? Please let me know. No problem. I will explain again.
yeah,
Any
your
doubt?
voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking. Okay, just a minute.
Bro, your voice is breaking.
So now it is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, better.
Yes. Okay. So in this phase, what is happening? I am now explaining you in detail. Okay. Okay. So they will try to understand the business, and they will try to understand the structure of the organization. Like means in what are the company, how many company codes they have. Okay. How many, and they are in which location they, those company codes are situated in which location. Okay. Suppose in this example, if you will see this client, since my friend has purchased the license.
Once, can you give 1 second?
Huh?
Sorry to cut you. Can you give 1 second? Just a second.
Okay.
Shh.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Should I continue?
Yeah, please.
See, please try to, if you guys will understand this process, then I think SAP you guys will understand. But
Okay.
this is not explained in a good way. Means this concept you guys need to understand. If you guys will understand this, then configuration, seeing the notes and doing the configuration is not a big deal. But please try to understand this, and
Okay.
please try to both of you try to understand this in deep. Then only we can able to do proceed. So my friend has purchased the SAP license, as per the suggestion given by the IT company. Now he has got the license, and in the license he has got the systems, three systems, which Sudhir, you were telling: a development system, quality system, and production system. Okay, but suppose
Hmm.
this we are taking example of IDS system, because if for study we will we will use this 800. Let me remove, no problem. For development, let me write 100.
Okay.
Okay. For development 100, and for this 200 for quality, where users does testing, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Business users.
For production.
And production, yes. And third will be production, where the system will be ready in the production and handed over to the business. You can start doing your day-to-day business. In the so this one take 300. Okay. Where 300? Yes. Let me expand this. Yeah. Okay. So this is client. Suppose 3 clients. He has purchased, means he has purchased, and this is the client. Client, what is client? Client is a database. What all the
Data.
configuration, what all the business transactions are done, that will be stored at the client level, correct?
Yeah.
So client is nothing but a database where data can be stored and retrieved. So this is client. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now you see, Dilip is a group of company. Like we have Reliance group of company, Tata group of company.
Yeah.
Same way, Dilip is a group of company. This is company. Okay. And he opened his company code. First company code he opened cement manufacturing. Once he got the revenues, he expanded. He opened a new business of steel manufacturing. Once he got the again his revenue is increased. He opened third company code DS01, which is I will tell you, he opened third company code for tiles related. Okay,
Okay.
this one is
Okay.
for tiles related.
Fourth one is textile.
Fourth one is textile related. Okay, these two company codes are situated. This company code suppose is situated in Hyderabad, HYD. This company code suppose situated in Mumbai,
Guntur. Mumbai. Okay.
Mumbai, and these two company codes suppose is this one is situated in Singapore, SG, and this company code is situated in USA. Okay. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now see, company is a group of company. So Dilip, is a group of company. I will tell. Now he has 4 company codes. 1, 2, steel, cement related, steel related, and then this tiles related, and the fourth one is textile related.
Textile.
Correct? Now see this one. Now we have credit control area. First we have at the top level of the our structure we have client. Okay.
Client.
Below the client there will be operating concern. Based on the operating concern, what will happen? I explained in a very very easy way. If you guys can remember and can tell me, what do you mean by operating concern? In a very in normal way, you guys can tell me, not definition, just a normal way.
Operating concern is Dilip group of.
No. See, well, see, please try to understand. See, based on the operating concern, profitability is determined. Like how much, based on the operating concern, profitability will be determined. Let's say I gave you example. If suppose I want to open a medicine shop, okay, I want to open a medicine. Suppose I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Okay, so in Jharkhand, in every area, in every small and big city, there are the places where doctor sits, right? There are the consultancy places, correct? So means if I want to start a business for medicine shop I want to open. So where will I go to open that medicine shop? You guys tell me. Should I open in where doctor sits, that locality should I open, or should I open in the crowded place where my medicine shop will be running?
Crowded place.
And so there you tell. See,
Besides hospital, doctors
yes,
were.
Shravanti. See, suppose doctors are sitting nearby hospitals, or they are consulting at at a place. Okay, there if you will open, then only they will recommend. They will write the prescription. Then patients will come and buy the medicines. In the crowded place, these snacks stalls will
Yeah.
be running more, right?
Oh, right.
Not medicine shop. Please try to understand. in the crowded place, if we will sell the snacks things like idli, dosa, samosa, and pani puri, those things will be sold. Those things, demand of those things will, like in Charminar. In Charminar, we can find just one or two medical shop, but we can find so many stalls, correct?
Yes, yes,
But in
yes,
the, in nearby hospitals or nearby the doctors where they sit, in private clinics, outside that hospital, outside that clinics, we can find multiple medicine shops, correct?
yes.
So that actually determined with the operating concern helps us to determine the profitability. It gives us the understanding in SAP, like about the profitability for the product wise, customer wise, what kind of customer business wants to sell, what kind of product. See, if the product is medicine, they need to and their customer, who will be their customer? Patients, correct? So these
Yes.
analysis will be determined with the help of operating concern in SAP. Just very simple. See, this is very easy example I've given. Please try to understand. Nobody, will explain like this. Correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. Understanding, Sudhir and Shavanti.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Yes,
please
Yes.
yes.
try to get the concept, and definition you guys already have in the notes, but try to get the concept.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, see, client you guys understood. The top
Because
level, it will be client. Below, and client has come from where, you guys knows the story and knows the background logic
yeah.
from where client has come. Now after client, the just below the client, operating concern will be there. Okay, and this operating concern is the part of COPA. Majorly is the part of COPA, controlling and profitability analysis. Operating concern is a part of COPA, but forget this. You guys please focus on the concept first. If you guys will understand
Okay.
the concept, then you guys will understand this. That doesn't matter. Okay, that is not the matter. So see, now just below the operating concern, there will be controlling area.
Hmm.
See, in its name, it is written controlling area, means something controlling has to be done. What
Yes.
is the controlling? The cost controlling of the goods which is being manufactured. Suppose if my friend was manufacturing tea in my previous example, so he will try to reduce the cost, but he will not compromise. According to the price, he will not compromise the quality also. Correct? Means
Ah.
what best less cost he can keep when he is manufacturing the tea. Suppose he will try to keep his cost as low as possible without compromising the quality also. Okay, so
Okay.
controlling area helps in controlling the price. Okay, controlling the price of
Cost.
the sorry, controlling the cost. Sorry, correct. Controlling the cost of the goods which is being manufactured. Okay, and according to the definition, if I will tell, you guys can see the definition. So cost and management reports, it controlling area helps to prepare the cost and management report. That is a theoretical thing, but concept you guys understand. Controlling area helps to control the cost of the goods which is being manufactured. Correct? This is a very simple
Yeah.
example. Now in SAP, controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Correct? One is to
In
one methodology, and one is to n methodology. Okay. If we want to, suppose in this case, you can see we have four company codes, correct? We have two company codes based in India.
Hmm.
Okay, we have one company code based in Singapore. We have one company code based in, we have total Dilip group of companies having four company codes involved in doing different businesses. Okay, in three countries. Two company codes in India, one company code in Singapore, one company
Yeah.
code is in USA.
Yes.
Correct? So
Yes.
yes.
what is the, this is as per the, this is as per the SAP standard functionality. Controlling area can be maintained according, there are two methodology to maintain the controlling area. One is to n methodology and one is to one methodology. Okay, when this
Yes.
one is to n methodology can be used when chart of account, operational chart of account is common between company codes. Okay, when fiscal year is also common between company codes. Currency may differ, doesn't matter. Means operational chart of account. Chart of account means like it is the list of the accounts, correct? Salary account, cash account, bank account. That chart of account means list of all the account. Library of all the account is called as chart of account. Okay. So if operational chart of account is common among the company codes, okay, among the company codes, then and fiscal year is also common, then 1:1 methodology a company can go with 1:1 methodology to define controlling area. Understanding my point?
Yes.
Now in this case, you see Singapore and Indian company codes having same fiscal year, April to March. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct. They Singapore company codes also, they according to your country, their financial year is April to March only.
March.
And
Yeah.
in India also, Indian financial
Same.
year is same only, April to March only. So one thing is common. What is that? Means common fiscal year.
Yeah.
Common fiscal
Common
year for Indian and Singapore company code.
Singapore. Yeah.
Correct. Now chart of account can be common, that doesn't matter. See, and they are, suppose they are maintaining the common chart of account, operational chart of account also. Which company? Indian company codes, these two company codes, and Singapore company
And
codes.
Singapore company.
But you see, fiscal year for USA is different. So we cannot include in this 1:1 methodology to USA company code, this textile company code, this textile company code. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but we can include Indian company codes and Singapore company codes because their fiscal year is same, April to March, and their operational chart of account is same. Currency is different, but that is not an issue. That is allowed in the SAP. Okay, so means we 1:1 methodology can be maintained for Indian company codes and Singapore company codes.
And Singapore.
Correct, clear?
Yeah.
So, and this for 1:1 methodology, we need to define another controlling area for this company code, USA company code. Okay. So now you guys see, I have given this terminology in controlling area. I will define with this same term in SAP. So see, for 1:1 methodology, I have defined DCOA, Dilip controlling area, and for
Okay.
and this one DU01, because every attributes of the company code will be copied, will be same as it is, because it is 1:1. Everything is same for that USA company code, controlling area, everything is same among both of them, like controlling area and company code. That is why I will define with DU01 only, 1:1 methodology, since it is. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now see, these three things clear na, Sudhir and Shavanti?
Clear.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now see, company this Dilip group of company it is. Okay. Now this group of company is connected with 4 company codes. Okay.
Yes.
Same group of company it is, and it is having 4 company codes, one in Hyderabad, and company code I have explained in my previous class. In SAP, a company code can be defined with four characters, whether it is completely numeric, whether it is completely
Semi-numeric. Yeah.
semi-numeric or alphabetical. So depending upon the requirement. So I have created DI01, Dilip India 01, like that. Dilip India 02
Okay.
for Mumbai, like that. You guys can define like DIH1, something you can do, no problem. But I have done like this. So this company is connected with all company codes. Correct. See, I have given this diagram also. This company I have connected with all the company codes. See. Correct. And
Yeah.
logically, it is part of Dilip group of company only. Whether it is based in USA, whether it's based in Singapore, whether Hyderabad or Mumbai. Okay. So now Dilip group of company is connected with all company codes. Okay. This one also clear.
Yes. Yes.
And I have explained the definition. Like if I will give you example of Tata Motors and Tata Consultancy. Let's say example. Tata Motors has nothing. Tata Motors is one company code. Okay. And Tata Consultancy is another company. Correct. They are
Yes.
maintaining and preparing their books of accounts, like profit and loss balance sheet. Tata Motors has nothing to do with TCS.
Yes.
Tata Motors are preparing their financial account, their books of accounts according to their business. They are independent company. A company code is an independent firm, correct? They are nothing. They have nothing to do with the TCS. Okay, understanding this concept. Same way,
Yeah.
Dilip Cement Company has, it is an independent company code. It has nothing to do with this still. I mean, they will prepare their own specific books of accounts. Okay, Dilip, this company code will prepare their own books of accounts. Mumbai Steel Company code will prepare their own books of accounts. Singapore will do same way, and USA will do same way. The company code is an independent company. Okay, where they prepare their
Okay.
books of accounts according to their requirement. Okay, so see, now I have explained this: client, operating
Please,
concern, controlling area, company, and company codes. Clear?
yes.
Now let me explain you guys credit control area and financial management area. See, very first is financial management area. So financial management, according to the financial management area, is defined country wise. Okay, country wise actually it is defined. Like if we are if Dilip group of company is dealing in three is having company codes in three different countries, so he needs three financial management area in three different countries. You can see in the exam in my diagram. This is my DIFA. I have created this code. DIFA is for Indian both company codes. One is enough, because if suppose we have multiple, then we will assign the same financial management area. For Singapore, we have having different financial management area. For US, we having different financial management area. Okay, we cannot assign this Indian
Here I
financial
have one
management.
doubt.
Okay, please tell.
Here in India, Hyderabad, Mumbai is there. Credit controls are two. So financial
Yes.
management is one only. If
Yes.
there is any type of company codes are 1, 2, 3 company codes to for one financial management only.
One. If those all company codes are in India, country
Oh,
wise.
yes.
If we have multiple, suppose we have 10, we have 15, but in India, then same this
Same
financial
finance.
DIFA, Dilip India Financial Management Area, we can assign to multiples, but that should be in one country only.
Okay.
Okay, so if same you can understand with the Singapore also. Like in Singapore, if we have one company code, if we will get if my Dilip group of company will open new company codes, so they can assign the same this DSFA, they can assign to same. Okay, this one I
Got
have just given according to my example. This is not mandatory. DSFA, it can be any other thing also. So please don't get misunderstood. This one I have given as per example. DI01. This all terminology. This is my example. This is just an example. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you can same we need for USA also. Correct. Financial management area
Yeah.
we need for USA also. Dilip USA Financial Management Area. DUFA. Okay.
Okay.
And now financial management area also explained, and it is connected with the company codes. Belongs to belong to one country only. For different country, we need separate financial management area. Now see credit control area. Credit control area, like I explained, it is for the sales related, for customer related. We want to limit the customer. We want to limit the. We want to set the credit limits for the customer. We want to set the credit limit for the customer depending upon their previous paying behaviors. Okay, because there can be chances they will not pay. So there is to reduce this risk, the credit limit will be set for the customers. So this will be this credit limits setting will be done with the help of credit control area. Okay. Now you tell me, we have Tata Motors, we have Tata Consultancy, both having customers. So their customer nature are same or different. For Tata Motors, customers are same. Means nature of customer for Tata Motors and nature of customer for the TCS are same or different.
There will be different.
Different, correct. So means if the nature of customer is different, so their paying behavior will be different, correct. Their paying behavior will be because see, Tata Motors, they will be demand, these village people also will demand for the trucks, or businessmen who used to do the. So they were different customers. For motors, there will be different customers. Younger generation. But for the Tata Consultancy, There will be different clients, big, these major clients will be there. They want SAP implementation, correct? So their nature of customers are different, and for Tata Motors, nature of customer are different. Okay. Now, if nature of customer is different, customers are different, so their paying behavior will be different.
Yes.
And so in this way, their credit limit should also be different. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why credit control area is maintained company code wise. Okay. Credit control area is maintained company code wise. It has not, like credit control area which is maintained for Tata Motors, they have nothing to do with they need to Tata Motors has to maintain separate credit control area. Tata Consultancy has to maintain separate credit control area. Okay. Same
Okay.
way, credit control area for Hyderabad cement related business has to be different. Credit control area for steel related business has to be different. Means it is company code wise. You can understand. For Singapore also we
Yeah.
need different. Because
From
this is
US, yeah.
tiles business. This is textile business. Business is different. Nature of customer is different. So credit limit will be different. So we need this credit control area company code wise. Okay.
Yeah.
So this will be which I am explaining. Same thing will be in the real time. When you guys will get job by the grace of God, and you guys will do hard work, you will get job. Same thing will be there in the real time business, in the real time projects. Same these things will be will be there. So please try to
Bhaiya, this
understand the
is
concept.
recording, no?
Yes, this is I'm recording. I will share.
Yeah. Okay.
See, time left is only 2:50. Then after 10 minutes we need to reconnect. Okay. See,
Okay. Okay.
but okay. So you guys are understanding the concept.
Yes. Yes.
Till here I have explained very I'm trying to explain very very easy way. See, and now
Yeah.
you see, now see, we have like Reliance Digital. I gave you example. So Reliance Digital is one company code. Okay. So
Hmm.
they will have multiple centers all across the India. Okay.
Okay.
Like in Hyderabad, there will be multiple Reliance Digital stores. So those are not company codes. Company code is one, that is Reliance Digital. But having multiple stores, those will be called as centers, means profit centers.
Profit centers.
Okay. See, in my, so same, if you have understood from the example of Reliance Digital, now please come to this Dilip group of companies. Now profit center will be defined according, as per the company code. Okay. See, we have this company code DI01, Dilip India 01, which company
Hmm.
code is doing cement related business. They
Yes.
have three company codes. Sorry, they have three profit centers. Sorry, 1000,
Hmm.
1100, 1900. And these three profit centers are based in different
Cement.
locations. No, different locations. Yeah, though cements means they are, like, suppose Reliance Digital is selling electronics. Okay, so their business is cement only, but location I'm actually telling, having in
Okay. Okay.
they are
Different.
based
Okay.
in, yes. Suppose this one, just a minute. Till now, you guys have any doubt?
It's clear.
Let's say we have 1 minute. So let's say it is in this Gachibowli.
Hmm.
Gachibowli. It is in Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Let's say 1100 is in I can say
Amirpet. Amirpet.
Amirpet or Banjara Hills. Let me take Banjara Hills. Banjara Hills HYD.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's take this one is in Guntur, AP. Guntur, AP, Andhra Pradesh, and Hello? 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 I cannot hear you guys. Hello?
Yes,
Yeah. Sudhir is there now?
yes, there is on the phone. One second.
Okay, no
Yes.
problem. I will wait. I will wait. No problem. Let him come. No problem.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So see, this one actually I was explaining the centers. Like one company code is having centers. Like if suppose one company code is having multiple branches, it does not mean that a new company that will be called as profit center. Like I gave example of Reliance Digital. You can take example of Tata Motors. So similarly, Dilip, this company code, let's say cement company code DI01, which is based in his its company head office is in Hyderabad, and it's doing business of cement manufacturing. So this company code is having three centers. One center it is having in Gachibowli, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad, and having one another third center is in Guntur. Okay, and okay, so these it is called as centers.
Bro, then the company code is in Hyderabad, no?
Company code is in Hyderabad. Yes, company
Then
code is in.
for 1900 it is Guntur, no, but Guntur is not in Hyderabad.
Yes, not in Hyderabad. See, that's what I'm telling. Suppose Reliance Digital is a company code. Okay, suppose its head office is in Mumbai. Okay, but Reliance Digital is having centers all over, all across the India, right? It is having centers in
Yes.
Jharkhand. It is having centers in Hyderabad. It is having centers in Delhi. So that
Okay.
will be called as centers. That will not be called as company code. Same Reliance Digital is the company code having multiple this
Center.
centers. So that is called as center only, right?
Okay.
Okay, this is what. So that's why I'm first giving Reliance Digital and Tata Motors example so that you can relate with this Dilip's business.
Okay.
Okay. So in this case, Hyderabad, this DI01, first company code is having three centers. Correct?
Yeah.
As per our, we can have multiple, but I have given you three centers only to understand.
Okay.
Okay, now these three centers I will combine and I will make a group, and that group will be called as profit center group. I have made the group with DCOA underscore DI01. So see, I have linked also this one. So I have created a group profit center because all these three I wanted to make group depending upon this company code only, right? Because these three profit center belong to this company code DI01, correct?
Yes. Yes.
That's why to have the classification, to have the specification, I have made the group. Like these three profit centers belong to this company code. So I have made the profit center group I have created. Similarly for this one, second company code, this Mumbai, I have created this profit center. I have created group also. Suppose going future, another centers has to be opened for anyone. So we need to bring that in that group, in that particular group. And similarly for Singapore and similarly for US company code also we will create group. And this group, above the profit center, there will be profit center group, and above profit center, there will be hierarchy. Means it will be at a top level. Hierarchy is nothing but like we can top level will be hierarchy. Below that, because hierarchy means this hierarchy profit center is linked with this controlling area. Okay, this
Okay.
profit center hierarchy will link this all profit center with the controlling area. See, DCOA underscore profit center PCSHR profit center standard hierarchy. Okay, and you guys, can you guys tell me, you guys understood this concept or you have any
Yes.
doubt?
Yes.
Correct. So see,
Understood.
now you guys tell me please, just general information. Tell me, uh, we prepare this books of accounts at profit center wise also we will prepare. So do we prepare this for external stakeholders or for internal companies use? center wise, profit center wise, if you will prepare books of accounts, so it is for externally reporting or for internal reporting?
Internal only.
Correct. Yes. But for company code, it will be external.
External.
Correct. See, just to know the profit and loss at the center wise. Suppose we have center in Gachibowli. So in the Gachibowli, what is the sale? How much profit, from the center wise we want internally. So that is being done. Okay. So now you guys have understood this structure. If you guys have understood now, I think my
Yes.
my 50% work is done. Now you guys will seeing the notes and just that is a video game. You will see the notes and you will just copy paste you will do. But if you will not understand the background, why it is happening, what is this credit control area, why financial management area is happening, why company code, why this profit center is linked, how, so this one you should understand. Okay, so this one is
Okay.
really clear, right, with you guys?
Yes.
Okay, now let me explain you business area. Business areas like is maintained at client level. So this is the same client. Control C. How to delete this one, I don't know. Okay, just a minute. See, same client I have taken. Development, quality and production. 100 for development, Q for 200 quality, production 300. Okay. Now, business area wise, we want to see the a company, a Tata Motor, if you will take, or you take example of Dilip company. So they want area wise business because they having different area. They having business. They have cement business in Hyderabad. They have Mumbai. They have steel business in Mumbai. They have this in Singapore. They have tiles business. They have in 4 different geographical areas. They having different geographical area. They are doing different business. So they want to see the reports. Okay, area wise. Okay, means in Hyderabad, what is our in Hyderabad they want to see the reports, financial reports. Okay, in Singapore they want to see the financial reports. In USA, San Francisco they want to see the reports. Area wise they want to see the reports. So according to my scenario, what I have done, I have classified into 2 parts. Okay, what I have done, I have classified business area into 2 parts. What are these? Domestic and foreign. Okay.
Yeah.
Dilip domestic consolidation business area, or in this business consolidation business area we have consolidated all the business area. We have Hyderabad, Mumbai and Guntur. Domestic related we have included all these 3 business areas, and in foreign we have 2. We have
Singapore.
one area in Singapore, and we have one area in business area in USA, since San Francisco. So we have created area, Guntur area, Hyderabad area, Mumbai, and this one is Singapore area and San Francisco area in US. And after that we have consolidated with domestic consolidation business area, and this business area is maintained at client level. Business area is maintained at client level, not company code level. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the business area concept, and this one is the, I have explained you. This one is the organizational structure. This will be the in case of other clients. Every client will have the the basic, the basic. They will have the similar kind of structure. They can have multiple profit center. They can have multiple company codes. They can have multiple controlling area. But the concept will be same, which I have explained you guys. Okay. Now you can see operating concern is maintained at which level? Client level. Okay. Operating concern is maintained at client level. Okay. Because it is linked with the client. Credit control area is also maintained at client level. and then credit control area is assigned to the company codes. See, wherever I have linked, you can see this 1:n, 3 company codes having the same fiscal year, having the same operational chart of account. I have linked 1:1 controlling area with all these 3 company codes. See,
Yes.
okay. So controlling area also is, controlling area is also maintained at client level. Operating concern is maintained at client level. Okay. And this financial management credit control area is maintained at which level? Can you guys tell me? Credit control area we maintain at which level?
Controlling area.
No. Company code level. Yes, Shravanti, correct. Credit control area, company code wise, we will decide the credit limits. Okay.
Yes.
Financial management area, country wise, we will decide like how many company codes will be there in one country. We will assign a single financial management area to all the company codes situated in one in that particular single country. So we have financial management area in different countries. In India we have one. In Singapore we have one. In USA we have one. Okay. So this is the structure. If you guys have understood, it will be helpful for me to proceed further.
Yeah, understood.
And this one, now what I will do. So you guys have time, or you guys need to go some? I mean, how much time you guys have right now? Because you wanted to go somewhere, right?
Yeah.
We are going.
Okay, no problem. So tomorrow I will explain you guys. Tomorrow what I will explain. See, my target is 3 months. So please, you guys also do hard work, please, so that I can complete and make you guys ready for the I will explain tomorrow this enterprise structure. Enterprise. Give me 10 minutes. Huh? I need to explain one more thing.
Sure.
Enterprise structure and assignment. Assignment of tomorrow I will do as I will start configuration, and I will I will complete up to here, minimum up to here I will complete tomorrow. Now see, you guys see this scenario. Enterprise structure means company code, credit control area, these all are called as enterprise structure. These all are the part of enterprise structure which I am going to define in the company. Okay, enterprise means company, enterprise means company code, enterprise means credit control area, financial management area. Okay, these all are the part of enterprise structure only, which we are seeing in this structure. So this one I'm going to just define in the SAP system. Okay. So see, enterprise structure. Now see, if a Dilip group of companies there, from general point of view, if you'll see, if we have defined in the system company, we have defined company code, cement related DI01, DI02, we have defined financial management area, we have defined credit control area. So see, you just think I'm just from the layman point of view, I'm just discussing with you guys, not from the like a teacher teach. Like, see,
Yes.
if we have got the company code, if we have got defined the company code, we have defined the company, can we start doing our accounting in the business? Is it enough? If you see, if this structure you guys have defined in the SAP system, so are you guys able to do the posting in the system?
No.
What you guys need else? What else you guys need to define in the system? This is the enterprise. This is a structure, enterprise structure. This we have defined. What else we need to define?
Process also has to be designed, right? Like in which T codes they need to process.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. See, we need a chart of account. See,
We need data.
We need data. Like we need chart. We need GLs. Like if we want to do in this company code, if we want to pay salary to our employee. So suppose in this company code, cement, we want to purchase raw material from the vendor. We want this Dilip Cement company is manufacturing cement. Dilip companies purchase people wants to buy raw material to manufacture cement. So they need GL account, correct? They need GL account for raw materials. They need GL account for vendors. They need vendor master, correct? Then only they can do the business transaction. Means they need chart of account. Chart of account means list of GL accounts they need. Means only defining the enterprise structure is not enough to start business process. Further, GL accounts is required, which we on an as a whole we can say chart of account will include all the GLs in a particular in a particular company. Correct? We need all the GL accounts, salary, cash, bank, everything we need. Customer, vendor master, customer master, all GLs we need. Correct? So we need this chart of account. We need fiscal year also. Correct? In this fiscal year is not defined. You see, because now in the fiscal year only, which fiscal year, like correct, fiscal year also required, like for the Indian company code we need fiscal year from April to March. For US, so fiscal year is also required. Then posting period is required, means posting period means a month, in which month this posting has to be done, like purchasing posting, selling posting, or GL posting. Okay, whatever the posting, goods receipt posting, billing posting. So in which month? So under this fiscal year, posting year, like months should be defined. Okay, we should have the currency. See, there are different in the company code which are based in India. So which currency we need for the company
INR.
code? We need INR, correct?
Yes.
For the Singapore we need SG,
SG.
Singapore dollar, and
Singapore.
means and for the USA we need US dollar, USD. Okay.
US.
So see, we need currency settings. We need currency means in the system this currency should be by default SAP has given, but we need to make sure this currency should be there. Then see, there will be you guys understood this up to 4 na?
Yes.
So no problem. See, what I wanted to say, only with the enterprise structure we are not going to start operation. A business cannot start its day-to-day business operation or day-to-day business transaction. They need some parameters, like they need they need GL accounts, they need fiscal year, they need profit posting period variant means month wise, like they need months to be defined in the system. Then only they can use that month to do the posting. They need currency, right? So these all are the part of company code global parameters. First, enterprise structure should be defined. Company code, credit control area. These all are the enterprise structure. Once these all will be defined, they should be linked. Assignment of enterprise structure means they should be linked. Means company should be linked with all company codes. This company, Dilip group of companies should be linked with all company codes. Credit control area should be linked with company code. Financial management area should also be linked. Credit control area should, this assignment should be, means linkage should be done. Once this enterprise structure and assignment is completed, then a company needs various parameters like chart of account, fiscal year, posting period, currency. These all things are required. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So this tomorrow I am going to explain. Means I will start tomorrow. I will start doing config, because today I have explained you in detail, right? Tomorrow, these all things, DI01 company code I will define in the SAP system. DI02 I will define, and you guys have got the SAP server also, right? ECC server. Both and Shravanti also, na Sudhir?
For now, we will use the same system. Only one laptop is using.
One. Okay, then there will be difficulty now, because see, when Sudhir is working. Okay.
No, we will manage for this.
So here there is only one laptop for it.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Please, okay. So tomorrow I will define these all. I will define in the system. Okay, and tomorrow I will do. So today, have you guys understood this concept or not? Please, honestly, please, you guys tell me with
Yes,
honesty.
sir, we got.
You understood, right?
Understand.
Operating concern, controlling area, this concept, credit control area and controlling area are different. Don't get confused. Financial. Okay. So I will share this document with you guys. Please keep it with you, and you can refer.
Okay.
And I will share this recording also by the evening or by tomorrow morning. I will share. And tomorrow morning, if we will connect same time morning, is it okay?
Yeah, same 6 o'clock.
Seven.
Okay. 7.
7. Okay. but please revise. Please, you both of you guys are there. I used to stay alone when I was studying, and I used to analyze by myself. But you both of you guys, can discuss, like, what is controlling area. You discuss the scenario, not scenario, I mean discuss the topics, like what do you mean by operating concern, what is the concept behind this. Okay, so you
Okay.
advantage is group study you guys can do, which I was lacking when I was studying. So please, you guys, discuss that things. And please also
Okay.
do one thing, like, first you guys try to understand the logic concept, and then try to go through those uh, theoretical concepts which I have told. Then you guys
Yes, sir.
can remember those things, because in interview you guys need to explain those also.